Hello, this is Peter Kirsch. We're going to analyze the two airline stocks of Lufthansa and Ryanair. We have two different business models. Let's start with Lufthansa, who's hiring 3,000 employees and will grow by 4% in 2017. Lufthansa is a full-service carrier who operates a diverse fleet of 600-plus aircraft and offers worldwide service. It also announced that it's expanding its low-cost carrier Eurowings this year, which is part of its restructuring plan. Next, we have Ryanair, which is adding a Naples base, expanding its Spanish operations, and entering the Frankfurt market. It operates as a low-cost carrier with a focused fleet of 300 Boeing 737s and focus on European destinations. Ryanair is what's called a contrarian model, which means it has low momentum but good accounting. Let's take a look at the scorecard analysis and the valuation summary now. Lufthansa has a scorecard of 81 and Ryanair has a 57, which translates to a higher upside for Lufthansa than Ryanair. This is illustrated in Lufthansa through a high momentum grade of 76 and a valuation of 100. The drawback to Lufthansa, however, is its risk factor, poor accounting quality, and the 13% default probability. However, Lufthansa does show very good momentum compared to Ryanair. Ryanair has better operational quality due to a focused fleet, but low momentum. Ryanair's entry into the Frankfurt market prompted Lufthansa to restructure and expand its low-cost arm Eurowings. Both stocks have higher upsides, with 86% for Lufthansa and 11% for Ryanair. The higher upside for Lufthansa and Ryanair are due to both companies being valued far under their warranted prices. Next, we look at the projected CFROIs of both companies. Lufthansa is projected to have a higher CFROI than what the market expects, thus the warranted price is significantly above the actual market price. Lufthansa is expected to enter a growth phase, whereas Ryanair will enter a fade down, which will translate to a lower CFRI for Ryanair, but a higher one for Lufthansa. When we look at asset growth, Lufthansa is projected to increase its assets, while Ryanair is expected to decrease them. Looking at the future projections for Lufthansa, they are in an upward motion or growth phase, where Ryanair is in a downward or fade phase. Brexit is the other unknown variable for Ryanair, as 28% of its business comes from the UK. My recommendations: a buy for Lufthansa as the airline is entering a growth phase, expanding Eurowings, its low-cost carrier, and is highly undervalued as a stock. For Ryanair, I recommend a hold due to its efficient and focused model, good accounting and cash flow, but the hold recommendation is due to its projected declining CFROI and assets, with Brexit creating uncertainty as more than one-fourth of its business is in the UK. Thank you.